And looking at my bumper, you can see all the little freaking rock chips in there, and it just looks terrible. What's the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. As you guys just saw in the last clip, my rock tips on my M5 is horrible, but I will not allow that to happen to my beautiful M2. So today we are going to take my M2 to the PPF shop to get it PPF. We're gonna do the whole front foot clip, headlights, all that stuff, because I refuse to have the freaking dirtiness that the M5 has, or the rock chips that the M5 has. It's just, I'm tired of it. Anyway, man, let's go ahead. Let's get the whip started. M2 actually does not sound too freaking bad, but that is going to be fixed here soon. I did order an exhaust from a company, horrible company. Would never order anything from them. Don't want to say anything, don't want to start any drama. Horrible company. I'll never ever in my life order anything from them again. If the exhaust happens to come, I will do a review and make sure I tell you guys not to order. Now let's go ahead, let's hop in the car and let's get on the road. Yo, when I tell y'all live far, look how far we gotta go, bro. Do y'all see that? That's crazy. Yo, we literally have to drive so far, bro. When I tell y'all I live in the country, I don't be joking, bro. To get anywhere, bro, it's an hour and 15 plus, bro. I'm a little further away from my house, probably an hour and 30. I'm a little further from my house already, so that's the only reason it ain't taking that long. But anyway, man, I ain't gonna bore y'all with an hour drive. If I see something, I'll show y'all. Let's go ahead and let's get to this shop. All right, guys, as you can see, we have made it here to the PPF shop. So I'm about to go ahead and leave my car here. And basically, I don't know if y'all know what PPF does. PPF basically is gonna protect my front end from like rock chips, anything that's like gonna damage it, anything that's gonna mess it up. PPF just gonna protect it. So we're doing the front to get PPF because y'all saw the M5 bumper and it was terrible. We're not doing that with this car. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull it in and we're gonna head out. All right, y'all, so we have got the M2 pulled in and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna leave it here. And bro, when we get it back, it's literally gonna look the exact same. I was gonna self PPF the whole entire car, but then I mean, I'll have to self PPF the M5. That's too much money. Y'all got money, I ain't got money. You know what I'm saying? I got a little bit of money, but I not that much money, you hear what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna leave the car here and we're about to go back home because we got to shoot something with the M5. The merch is here, so we're finally gonna shoot that. All right, y'all, last thing. I was gonna get an F80 before I got the M2, believe it or not. This F80 is actually hard. Like when we talk hard F80s, bro, this F80 is actually hard. On BBS's, looks good, carbon grille, like not, I don't know. This F80 just looks mean. Anyway, let me go ahead and get out of here, grab my stuff, and we wave bye to the M2. Bye M2, see you when you're reformed. Let's go, baby. What's the deal, YouTube? As y'all can see, the M5 is over there getting washed, bro. I am hot and sweaty. I've been running around all day. We finally made it back to the M5. I'm getting the car washed right now so we can do the freaking merch reveal because I need the merch to be posted today. But I'm about to go get something to drink out the store because it's way too hot out here. And I'll get back up with y'all in just a minute. Y'all, these right here, these are my Storage Central State. I usually will get a Gator Light, but they ain't have Gator Light, so I got me a Powerade and a Bang Energy. And these gonna do me right for the rest of the day. But F90 getting clean right now, so I'll tap back in with y'all after the F90's getting clean or done.
What's the deal, man? So, first thing first, I don't know who made all these tire marks, because it wasn't me. So whoever did this, I'm putting cases on all y'all. Every single one of you. I wonder who did it. Anyways, this is the new merch, y'all. The merch up front, and then the M5 on the back. I do have this color in black as well, with cream letters, which I'm gonna put up right here. These right here, this is a cream color. I personally like it a lot. This is the cream color. This is gonna be available as well. So we got two available colors. We got the white with like the grayish, blackish, and then we got the black with the cream. I tried to record this video already, but I was so upset in it, and I don't like people seeing me upset because I'm not really an upset person. So I'm re-recording it because I'm no longer upset anymore. Yes, my shirt is dirty. I was working on the cars earlier. Y'all see that in the upcoming video. Trust me, you want to see it. I don't usually expose people. As y'all know, I got a G87 M2. I'm always say I got a G87 M2. I'm gonna say it every time, just to make sure y'all know for real. I'll order an exhaust from SinCal Motorsports. Mind you, I got the car July 19th. I ordered the exhaust July 23rd, right? July 23rd. I'm gonna insert screenshots so y'all can see everything, and I'm gonna just be talking. I paid them immediately. I DM'd them. We talked in the DMs. Y'all can pause, read the DMs if you really want to. If you don't, I completely understand. I DM him. I talked to him. I'm like, yo, bro, like, blah, 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 this and that. Okay. So, this July 23rd, I ordered the exhaust. Once you place your order, I didn't know this, but they did inform me. Once you place your order, there is a 8 to 14 build day process on your order, okay? 8 to 14 days, right? So, simple math. If we go, I got that car July 19th. I ordered it July 23rd. If we go 14 business days, we're not including the weekends, this is strictly business days, that will make that day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. August 12th. Today is August 25th, by the way. August 12th. That's 14 business days. Then, hold on, I'm not done. 5 to 7 days to ship. Understandable. It's all understandable, bro. I get it. I understand. So, let's say the 12th, they finished it. 5 to 7 days. We only doing business days, by the way. 5 to 7 days to ship. 7 days of business days from the 12th, the build production date, the estimated time, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 7th day will be the 21st of August. And the 21st of August is supposed to be at my house. 5 to 7 days, depending on where you are in the country. I completely understand it, bro. I get it. Because I'm be honest, bro. Most of these people, they just drop ship stuff in and then sell it to us because they have it on hand. They can sell it for more. They get it all from Alibaba. I'm gonna just be honest. They get it all from Alibaba. But that's neither here nor there. Now let's go. If we counted the weekends, right? If we counted the weekends from the 23rd when I ordered the exhaust, we are currently at 32 days. Because today's August 25th. We are at 32 days. I've heard nothing. I emailed them. I said, hey, it's null and void. Because I asked for a refund. I did. I'm like, bro, what's going on? Give me a refund. The G87, bro, y'all know, bro, I'm trying to build the G87. I'm trying to make it loud. I'm trying to do this, do this, do this, and do that. I had these parts on order, bro, for the car. I get it. It take time for stuff to arrive and stuff for like to get there. I completely understand that. But once you don't reply to my emails and start doing all this and all that, okay, cool. I see how you want to move. So you know what I did? I disputed the charge. I'm gonna keep it a bean. I disputed the charge. Why? Almost $1,700. I'm not just giving away $1,700. As y'all can see, I paid it when he said pay it. He sent me the invoice. I paid it within 10 minutes, bro. Within 10 minutes, I paid it. I'm like, cool. It is what it is. I can drop $1,700. I can drop whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like not even on no bragging stuff. For my content, for my investment in my channel, I can drop the money I need to drop, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's not like an issue. But when I drop money on something, I expect that product in return. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna tell y'all, Midwest Beamer Supply got me all of this, bro. Well, this is from RW Carbon, I'm gonna be honest. But Midwest Beamer Supply got me all of this. When I tell y'all, bro, I ordered it, Midwest Beamer Supply had it at my house within, I wanna say, 7 days. And I don't even think it was that long, I'm gonna be honest. I don't even think it was 7 days. I'm gonna put it on the screen because I don't know how long it was. Let's pull it up. So I can tell y'all the factuals, bro. All right. Thank you for your purchase. 7-11. That's when I ordered it. 7-11. Thank you for your purchase. 7-15. Your item is out for delivery. Your items out for delivery at 7-15. 4 days, bro. 4 days. And this is not like trying to, you know, this is not a pitch to move you to Midwest Beamer Supply. I'm just telling you my experiences between who I order from and who I got stuff from. I'm telling y'all my experience and who really provides the stuff. And I'm gonna be honest, Midwest Beamer gon' supply. If they had an exhaust for my G87 that I wanted, I would have went there. My main thing with my exhaust is I want it to retain the factory valves. So I've been looking at IRL. I think that's who I'm gonna order. IRL, it is $1,000 more. I don't care. It is what it is. I'd rather have something that's gonna be good. I like the way IRL sound. So we're gonna go IRL exhaust on the G87. Have I ordered that yet? No, but I'm gonna tell y'all my ordering experience on that. I'm just a regular person who work hard for their money, trying to build, you know, a community online and just show y'all my videos and show y'all my stuff. I don't do nothing crazy, bro. I don't even out people. I don't like drama, bro. That's not me. But don't think you about to run off with $1,700. Bro, who do you think you are, bro? So with that being said, man, we have a lot of stuff being done for the G87. As y'all know, I just dropped it off to get PPF, man. We got to end the video on a good note. I just dropped it off to get PPF and I'm so happy, bro, because I'm telling you, they're gonna make that car look so good, bro. N-Detail Auto Salon, which they're over in Duluth, Georgia. Bro, they're gonna have that thing glistening, bro. So probably in the next video that I upload, y'all will see that we got the G87 back, because it shouldn't take that long. They my boys over there, bro, and they work hard, and it's a group of them. They just make stuff happen. But also back to my merch, man. This is my merch, the works, with this on the back. I'll upload some pictures on the screen as well. If you guys want to cop merch, it will be coming out on September 12th or the 19th, because right now it is the 25th, as you can see, and it'll probably come out on the 12th or the 19th. Just stay tuned for all the videos that I got coming up and all the videos that I got posted, because I'm gonna put a link in the description for y'all to go buy it. I gotta create a website and all that. And mind you, I am only doing 50 shirts, bro. 50 shirts. It's my first merch drop ever, release everything. And if you get an order in the 50 shirts, there's gonna be 7 large, 7 medium, 7 small, 7 extra large. If I need a bigger size, comment down below if you wear bigger than an extra large, or if you wear a smaller size, so you need a small, comment down below. I can make accommodations. So just let me know. But I'm so excited to drop this merch. I'm so excited. I've been working on this with my homie. But yeah, this is it. I love it. I hope y'all like it. But just stay tuned for the next videos that's coming out. I'm gonna give y'all a date. We got so much stuff planned for the G87, and I cannot wait for y'all to see it, man. We're gonna go, when we go pick up the car, we're gonna go pick up some mods too for the G87. So stay tuned for that, because that's very exciting. And yeah, sorry I had to rant to y'all and go off and all this and all that. This is not me, bro. This is not who I am. I'm a calm, chill person. Like, I don't want no beef. I don't want no drama, bro. I just want the products that I pay for, and that's it. When it comes to like say if I took my car to a shop and they messed up on something, cool, I'm gonna go back and let them fix it. Y'all saw what happened with my lug nuts. That's it. We can resolve it. But once you think you finna take money from me, bro, like, bro, let me tell you my list of how things go, okay? God, number one, always. My literally fiance. She's my fiance. Y'all don't know, I have a fiance. Yes, that's my fiance. My fiance. And then money. Actually, I put my mom and my, you know, my immediate family and her immediate family, number 3, and then money. But you're not finna play with my money, you know what I'm saying? I work very hard for my money. None of this is given to me. This is not mommy and daddy's money. This is not just, I don't know, this is not that. I work hard for my money, bro. Like, everything I did is on my own. Nobody helped me get to where I'm at today but God, but the support of my fiance. That's it. So when you come to start playing with my money, then that's when it becomes an issue. If you mess up something on the car and it's an honest mistake, bro, come on, let's go ahead, let's fix it, bro. That's it. There's nothing else more to it. Just like y'all saw, I didn't even put the shop name in there. But with my lug nuts, I'm like, yeah, bro, just go ahead, let's fix it. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It's not that big of a deal, but don't play with my money, man. And on that note, this video is over. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for always tuning in, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.